Go.
Hi, welcome to Yopic. So today we're going to do a demo of the wet and dry 1600 watt American Micronics vacuum cleaner. I'll spend the next 5 minutes showing you how to put it all together and then you're ready to go. Okay, so the first step is you have the vacuum cleaner head, okay, and you have the filter. Okay, so you just push in the filter here and just put it on top. Okay, so it just snugly fits on the vacuum cleaner head. You then have the filter cap, okay, which you just put it in here and you just screw it in. Okay, so it just again snugly fits in. So your vacuum cleaner head is ready now. Now the second thing is, take a look at this. So this is the vacuum cleaner, okay. Now when you're using it for dry vacuum cleaning, this is the dry vacuum cleaning bag. Okay, you need to attach this so all the dirt and the dust will accumulate in the bag. The good thing about the bag is that once it fills up to say about half or 3/4 level, you can take out the bag and you can just slide the bottom off, empty the bag, put the bottom back, and again you can reuse the bag. So, I mean, the capacity then becomes unlimited. Okay, so now if we're doing dry vacuum cleaning, you take the bag, take a look at this. Okay, you just slide it on this. So it will just again snugly fit into this chamber. Okay, the next step is we need to put the vacuum cleaner head on top of the vacuum cleaner. So take a look. The vacuum cleaner has one hole on this side, okay, and the vacuum cleaner head has a hole out here. So how we affix this is, this hole goes on the opposite side of the hole which is there on the body of the vacuum cleaner. So I just put this here. Okay, so as you can see, there's one hole here and there's one hole here. On the side, you just have these straps. So you just put it in here and close it. Okay, there's one more here. You just put this in and close it. Okay, so this, you're ready. Now where the hole is on the body of the vacuum cleaner, that's where you take the vacuum cleaner pipe. Okay, so this is the vacuum cleaner pipe. You just take this part and all you do is just plug it in. So once you're plugged in, this is set. Pretty easy. Okay, now I'll just take you through the 4 different attachments that we have with the vacuum cleaner. So this is the main attachment, okay, which basically lets you clean everything. There's one nice feature out here that you can just press this button, okay, and this will just get lifted a little bit. So if you have any wet vacuum cleaning also, the same attachment can be used, okay, but otherwise you can just use it like this. This second attachment has rubber, so this is what is preferred to be used for wet vacuum cleaning. Okay, these 2 attachments are for corners and small spaces, so you can reach in there and you can suck out the dirt with these 2 attachments. Okay, and this last attachment, this is really helpful and needy because if you are doing any wet vacuum cleaning for your sofas or curtains, this is what can be used. Okay, so for example, if this was a sofa, you would just wet it with soap water, okay, and then you would be able to vacuum clean this. So this would suck up all the water and the soap and the dirt and you would get this clean. So this is a pretty good attachment. Okay, so we are pretty much set. Let's start the vacuum cleaner. You just take this, you plug it in to your normal electricity plug. You start it. Okay, On the other end of the vacuum cleaner, you have this one attachment. You just attach this nice and tight. Let's take this attachment. You just put this here. Again, is it nice and tight? Yes. So we're set. Let's start our vacuum cleaning. You have a red button here. You will be able to see the red surface. So it's as simple as that. There's one more feature that I can just show you, okay, which is the blower function. So for example, say if you're trying to clean a patch of leaves where you don't want to suck it up but you want to blow it away, in that case again, all you do is you just open the pipe from this side and attach it to this side. Okay, start the vacuum cleaner and you have the blowing function. So that's it. I mean, that's how you use a vacuum cleaner. It's a pretty sturdy vacuum cleaner. What you should do is use it for about 15-20 minutes, then off it. Let the motor just cool down just for a couple more minutes, 5 minutes or so, and then reuse it. As I mentioned, the only thing you need to take care of is make sure that when you're putting the cylinder on top of the vacuum cleaner, you have attached the filter. That is the first step we saw. Second is when you're doing dry cleaning, put the filter bag so the dirt will accumulate in the filter bag. When you're doing wet cleaning, you don't need the bag, so you just leave the bag out and you just put the attachments in and you are ready to go. So, hope you have a good experience with the vacuum cleaner. Thank you.